See how this works. I'm trying to film with my phone today because I just didn't feel like grabbing the camera, but we're going to Spirit Halloween and see what kind of goodies it got. Yay. What was this? A Rite Aid?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks familiar. Yes, sir. Yeah, activate it.
Oh shit!
These usually have like a foot pedal to step on.
You will be playing red light, green light. You are allowed to move forward when it shouts out green light. Stop when it shouts red light.
It's actually gonna play?
If your movement is detected afterwards,
You ready?
you will be eliminated.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! Red light.
Oh shit, the eyes move.
Clear. Eliminated.
I got eliminated.
The eyes move, that's creepy. Oh, it's like a train. It's like the Nun.
I can hear it.
You like that anticipation. That's cool.
Look at this.
Giant rant. That's cool.
Oh, it's a subway.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's the rat. It's inside. Look at it.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. You get a clown to see it gives you a gift.
Oh boy.
You curious? What's in the box?
I don't want it. No, I hate monkeys.
Monkeys are cool. What are you talking about?
I have risen from the dark pit of despair. It burns inside me.
Oh my. Well, you should get that checked out. There's a shop for that.
This is cool.
Shredder, you're not looking so good these days.
The Splinter, what are you talking about?
That's what I meant. Splinter.
That's kind of cool. They should have cool layouts of these stores.
Hey.
Huh? He's kind of hurt.
That's cool.
Two-faced clown man.
Did you know that every clown is mad? Yes, indeed. Now come close. It's our trusted spirit. The best thing I usually come in pairs. So take a chance and give the second one free.
Oh, look at that. It's lock, stock, and barrel, but they're all blinged out. Funny. Boogie, boogie. Yeah, it's funny when they have like clothes, but they're actually not bad. They actually have cool hoodies. I mean, it's like actually thick. It's good quality. How much is it?
60.
Yeah, that's standard. Let's see what they got here. Terrifier here. I'm actually a fan of what happened with the whole franchise of Terrifier. pretty cool. Oh, it's a makeup? Oh, it is makeup. Cool. What's that? Oh, like it's not really a pop figure. Cool.
They have like a blow up, like a lawn blow up thing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, always those crazy shirts.
Your bed and turn your dreams into nightmares.
I know it was like last year or 2 years ago, they started introducing the hoodies and flannels.
Yeah, like the.
So Freddy Krueger themed. Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually thick. Female, sexy Freddy Krueger. Got a giant bird. That's perfect.
How cute! Oh my god, it's
What?
a purse.
Patrick.
It's not Patrick.
Yeah, isn't that? I mean,
Gary.
Gary.
Meow. Meow.
Snail cat. Snail cat.
You could be a
Okay, this is
chicken,
funny.
babe.
Yeah, how about this? A guy walking around taking a shit. I love this one. That's awesome, Ashley. Cool. Cool decor here. And they usually got some cool wall decor. And they got some new stuff here. Right on. I like it. This is the goth home decoration section, right? Yeah, right now this is like the first day this store is open, so everything's organized and structured in place. If everything gets taken. Neon lights.
He wants. He's.
These are
begging-
new.
He's begging me to adopt him, take him home.
I remember this last year. They had like neon lights. These are pretty cool.
If this is on clearance,
The Krampus. Krampus is coming to town. Let's go.
I need to get the Halloween decorations out.
I know, it's already September for us. This video is probably gonna go up till December. I got a few videos like set
This
up.
would be cool to get for Christmas.
Yeah. What's this? Is Happy Hunting. It's a little bat. Live, laugh, hunt.
Spooky season.
Just random shit for the walls. Greeting, welcome. All right. Some door decoration there. It's cool. It's a ghost with bat wing for some reason.
Oh, he lights up. Where?
It does?
Yeah. He doesn't have batteries, but yeah, like this.
Oh, it lights up. Oh, I see. Really cool. What do you got? It's like a bathroom rug, bath mat.
You like my shoes with my claw socks?
My shoes are better. All right. Evil projection lights. Well, the freaking science shoes. Yeah, those are cool.
Monaco, we can.
I like that actually.
We should buy this one for Chico.
It's pretty cool. Get some Mark fucking slippers.
You walking around the house with this?
Be funny if they honk every time I walk. It's like honk honk. Solar bobble heads, so cool. Is it lanyards? Yeah, okay.
That's a keychain.
And keychains. Yeah, look at this one, babe. Art here. Quick video. Just wanted to like spend an hour to see what they got. A lot of the stuff's the same as last year, so it's kind of like, yeah. But they do have some new stuff. But, yeah. Quickie.